Welcome to NoCodeIoT, the platform that allows you to create IoT and connected car apps in minutes. We have integrated Smartcar's connected car API into a ready-made, customizable no-code template, allowing you to build a customized connected car app without any coding experience required. You can create apps to verify mileage for auto insurance, offer contactless car rentals with digital car keys, simplify fleet tracking and predictive maintenance, and reduce friction with location and digital key sharing for on-demand services like car detailing, car charging, or in-car delivery. It's very easy to get started. Sign up to NoCodeIoT.com, select a no-code template, connect your devices, and customize the app according to your liking. With 10 times faster development time using drag and drop tools, you can quickly bring your ideas to life and stay ahead of the competition. Sign up today and see for yourself how you can create a custom connected car app in under 10 minutes. We can't wait to see what you build.